to create a roof, we have already created a model here. So we would like to have roof for this model. To create a roof, it's important to come first to level. So you have in level 1 this model, and then come to architecture and then roof. From roof, select roof by footprint. This menu shows us in which level we are gonna create the roof. So I would like to create the roof in level 2. I select level 2. Here, before to create roof, it's important to understand these two options which are very important. Define slope. If we take this define slope option, we can give slope to our roofs. Overhang shows the offsets of the roof from the walls. I would like to tick the define slope and would like to have 700 overhang. And then from here you can select either line or peak line or peak wall. So by peak line you would like to select one line at a time, and by line you can create the boundaries of the roof, which I don't like it, and I would like to use the peak walls, which is a simple option, an easy one. So when I select the peak walls option, as I have given 700 overhang here, and if I came here, there is a dotted line that shows here a 700 offset. If this one is 0 and I come here, it wouldn't show me any offset. But if I put 700 and I come here, it shows me a 700 offset. And then I select the walls. It's important to select outside of the walls to create these roofs. In this area property, it shows the slope. So now the slope for this roof is 30 degrees. I would like to this roof to reduce this to 25 degrees. You can also reduce or change the slope here. Just click and you will change the slope. Once the slope is set and you have selected the boundaries for the roof, and then finish edit mode. Then come to 3D model and it shows that the roof has created. You can change the thickness of the roof from property, duplicate this roof to any roof you want, and you can have different thickness if you want. If you would like to bring changes in the slopes of the roof, you can simply edit the boundaries of the roof as well. For example, I can select this roof and double click, or select the roof and then edit footprint. Then come on top, and for example, I don't want to have the slope this side. Then remove this tick from the property and then finish edit mode. Now come back to 3D model and it shows that this side we don't have the slope. However, you would like to extend the walls until the roof. We select the walls, then select attach the walls to the top, and then select the roof, and then the walls will be attached to the roofs. Easy. Okay, sometimes the roofs have valleys and heights. For example, we have different types of model such like this. For this one, again, we come to the level 1, and then we come to roof by footprint, and then we would like to have roof in level 2. Select that one and peak walls. Again, I have overhang 700 mm, and I would like to select all these walls. Once I have selected, and then this time I would like to have 30 degrees slope, and I will finish edit mode, then count to level 3, and this time it shows that we have all the heaps and valleys automatically created. The second option in roofs, that is roof by extrusion. So the roof by extrusion gives us a free hand that we can sketch any types or any shape of the roof that we want. For example, I would click roof by extrusion and then pick a plane. I would select this plane, and then I would create the roof in level 2 and click OK. So once you select the plane and select the level, then you will have this option again. Then, since I have selected this plane, I would like to create any shape of the roof that you want. Select this spline, click here, and then I would like to have this kind of, this shape of the roofs. Select the roof types that you have one, and then finish edit mode. Once you have this one, then we select walls and then attach to the roof, and then will be attached. Select the wall and then attach to the roof, and we will do this for all the walls that we have. We select the wall and then attach to the roof, and even this wall, which will be, we can use attached to the walls. And if you look now to the model, then all the walls are attached to that wall. Roof by extrusion gives us a free hand, and we can sketch any type of the roof that we want. For example, as you see here. Okay, so if you want to create a cone roof on a circular wall, then it's simple, and come to level 1, select roof by footprint, then level 2, and then we again select the pick wall option, and we have selected a 30 degrees. Then finish edit mode. In that way we will have the cone wall. So to see that one, simply we see that this is a roof in a cone shape. It seems flat, but actually it's in a cone shape. Okay, so we created the cone roof. Now we are going to create the dome roof. So as we mentioned, the dome roof is a bit different compared to the cone roof in others. So how we are going to do it? To create a cone roof, we first come to insert LUT family, and from LUT family we insert dome and then say open. Then architecture components and place component. Now it doesn't show anything because in massing inside, the show mass is off. If click on it, then it shows the mass. So we want to place it here, and this would like, don't forget that we are going to work on level 2. So I've selected level 2 and then cancel and cancel. Now we come on top, and then this one is a bit bigger compared to the smaller one. So if we look here and to understand its radius, so you select wall faces, and then from wall faces the radius is 26, 25, and here is the center line of it. So I would select this one and then move this from middle to this center line, and then I would like to give this 26, 25, the radius that we have, and then the dome will fix that walls. We have not created so far the roofs, we only created in place the mass. But to create the roof, this time we use another option in the roof, that is roof by face. We select roof by face and we select these two faces of the mass that we have created, and then we click on create roof, and then the roof that we have selected, basic roof RF, that will be created. We came back to massing inside and switch off the massing, and this time cancel or skip a few times. Escape, and then the roof will be created. You can also remove this one, and as you see now that we have created the roof or as a dome, and this one is as a cone and this one is as a dome.